Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Take a ride in the 2011 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, rear spoiler, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, premium sound system, MP3 player, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall